Hey everyone! If you want to start trading on Kraken, you'll need to verify your identity to unlock deposits and withdrawals. Let's get you through it step by step. Step 1. Access the Verification Hub. First, log into your Kraken account. On the web, click on your name/avatar in the top right and select Get Verified. If you're using the Kraken mobile app, tap your profile icon in the top left and go to Account/Verification and Limits. Hit the Verify Identity button to start the intermediate level, which is what most traders need for full cash access. Step 2. Basic Information and Questionnaire. Enter your legal name, date of birth, and physical address exactly as they appear on your ID. New for 2026, you'll answer a short KYC questionnaire about your occupation and intended use of the platform, like investing or trading. This is a legal requirement, but it only takes about 60 seconds. Step 3. Document upload, the fast way. Now, grab a valid government-issued ID, passport, driver's license, or national ID. Use your phone's camera for the clearest results. Ensure the ID is flat, well lit, and that all four corners are visible in the frame. Avoid any glare from overhead lights, as this is the #1 reason for automatic rejections. Step 4. The 2026 Face Photo Check. Next is the Biometric Check. You'll be prompted to take a live face photo, a selfie. Look directly into the camera and follow the on-screen prompts to move your head slightly or adjust your position. Important, you must take this photo in real time within the app. You cannot upload an existing photo from your camera roll. Step 5. Review and Confirmation. Once submitted, Kraken's automated system, Persona, will review your data. Most accounts are verified almost instantly, but if yours requires a manual check, it can take up to 24 hours. Keep an eye out on your email for a verification successful notification. Once you get that, your limits will increase and you can add your bank account. And that's it. Your account is now secure and ready for the markets. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.